Look at the kitty, honey. Say hi, Tom. Don't pee on him. He's not interested at all. Come here, honey. What's his name?
Lincoln.
Lincoln?
Lincoln.
Lincoln.
What is that?
He's not interested.
Well, that's kind of good. He's
That
not
is
really
good.
paying too much attention.
Lincoln. Here, look at the kitty. Say hi, Tom. Hi, Tom. Ew.
Oh.
There's all these new smells. Come here, Lincoln. Lincoln. Good boy.
What is that, honey?
Oh, Tom likes him. Tom was crawling into him. He's a good gauge. Look, he wants to rub on him. If it has bad energy, then Tom won't do that.
Really?
Oh.
Eh?
Okay, here we go. You want
I'm
to
not
play?
sure what to make of that.
Play. He's foaming at the mouth. He's like, what is
I
this?
mean, he's not trying to attack the face.
Oh, no. He's doing really well.
Yeah. He'd be nice. Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah, that's why I let it go for a little bit.
No, no.
Okay,
Quit digging.
it's okay.
No digging.
You be nice. Be nice, Lincoln. Tom's like, I don't know. I don't know what Tom.
No! Stop that digging. Yeah, I posted on Facebook, which is what Patty saw,
Yeah.
and